Good evening, everyone. In today's class, we are going to start with the 15th chapter, Statistics. Statistics deals with collection of data, analysis, and interpretation of data. In previous classes, we have studied the method of finding representative values for a given data, which is called measure of central tendency. There are three measures of central tendency: mean, median, and mode. Mean is going to be the average of the given data set. Median is going to be the middle value of the data set. Mode is going to be the value that occurs the most in a data set. I will be taking the example of these data set 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, and 3. Now, mean is given by the formula of sum of observation over total number of observations. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Total number of observations. What is that? That is going to be equal to 7. Sum of the observations. So I can write 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 3. So when I add all of them, I will be getting 21 divided by 7. The answer is going to be equal to, okay. So the mean I have got as 3. If I have to write a formula for mean using summation, I can write that as, so I can represent mean as x dash. Mean can also be written as x dash, which is equal to 1 divided by n summation of I is equal to 1 till n of xi. Here you can take these numbers as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, and x7. Okay, so this is going to be the formula for mean in summation form. Both means one and the same. Next, we have median. In medium, we have two formulas for medium. For odd, it is going to be n plus 1 divided by 2. For even data set, it is going to be the average of the middle value, right? So I have taken an example of the both odd data set 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, and 3. First step in both is going to be arranging them in ascending order. So I can start with writing 1 and then 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, and 4. Here it is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and 4. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are totally 7 terms, right? So the median is going to be 7 plus 1 divided by 2, which is going to be 8 divided by 2, which is going to be 4. Fourth term is going to be the median. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is going to be the median. So I can write this as, for the even data set, it is going to be n divided by 2 plus n divided by 2 plus 1. So n divided by 2. Here n is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I can write 6 divided by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1. Right. So it is going to be 6 divided by 2 plus 1 whole divided by 2. It is going to be 3 plus 3 plus 1 divided by 2. What will be the answer? It is going to be 7 divided by 2, right? 3.5. Here the median is going to be 3.5 for this data set. It is going to be 3 for this particular data set. Next, we have the mode. Mode is the value which occurs the most. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 2, 4, 4, 4, 3. So 4 occurs 3 times. Here the mode can be written as, right? This is what we have discussed in the previous classes. In class 11th, we are going to discuss about measure of dispersion or deviation. The dispersion or scatter in the data is measured on the basis of observation and type of measure of central tendency used there. There are following measure of dispersion: range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, and standard deviation. However, in class 11th, we are not going to take up the quartile deviation. Range. Range is defined as the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value. For example, if we have 42, 55, 100, 42, 31, 18, and 180, the minimum value and the maximum value. The maximum value is 150 and the minimum value is 18. So the range of this data is going to be 132. 132, right? Similarly, for this 21, 23, 11, 42, 41, 61, and 31. The largest number, it is going to be 61 minus the minimum value. Maximum value minus the minimum value minus 11, it is going to be equal to 50. This is going to be the range of this particular data set. Mean deviation. Mean deviation is defined as the statistical measure that is used to calculate the average deviation from the mean value of the given data. So here what we are doing is we'll be finding out the deviation, how much the value is deviated from either mean or mode. So we have two types of mean deviation. One is about the mean and one is about the median. For about the mean deviation is given by the formula 1 over n summation of xi minus x bar, where x bar is going to be the mean. Similarly, if I have to take the mean deviation with respect to the median, it is going to be 1 over n summation of xi minus m, where m is going to be the median. I'll be taking problems from the exercise, so you will be understanding the same. Find the mean deviation about the mean for data in exercise 1 and 2. First one is 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, and 17. First, we need to find the mean of these numbers. So to find out the mean, I'll write down the formula for mean. It is going to be x bar, which is 1 over n summation of I is equal to 1 till n of xi. What does this mean? It means that I have to add up all the numbers. If I take this as x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, x6, x7, and x8. Totally 8 numbers are there. So I need to add up all the numbers from where to where. I is equal to 1 till n. Here n is equal to 8. So I can write 1 divided by 8 summation starting from I is equal to 1 till 8 for x of I. If I do the same, I need to add up everything. 4 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 12 plus 13 plus 17 divided by 8. Right? 4 plus 7, 11, 11, 8, 8, 7, 17, 17, 10, 12, 22. 22 plus 30, 30, 52, 52, 8, 60, 60, 20, 80. So you will be getting this as 80 divided by 80. X bar, which is going to be the mean, is going to be 10. You have got the value of x bar. Now we need to find out the mean deviation. Mean deviation is given by, I'll be writing the formula for that. Mean deviation, it is given by the formula of summation of I is equal to 1 till n the modulus of xi minus x bar. What is going to be the value of this? In order to find this, let me write down over here. I have to find out the modulus of xi minus x bar. I will start by taking the number 4. So modulus of 4 minus x bar. What is the value of x bar I have got? It is going to be equal to 10. So 4 minus 10. Next, 7 minus 10. Next I have 8 minus 10. Next 9 minus 10. So here I will be getting minus 6, modulus of minus 6 is going to be 6. Here it is going to be minus 3, modulus of minus 3 is going to be plus 3. Here it is going to be minus 2, modulus of minus 2 is going to be plus 2. 9 minus 10 is going to be minus 1, modulus of minus 1 is going to be plus 1. Next 10 is there, so 10 minus x bar, which is going to be 10, it is going to be equal to 0. Next you can take 12 minus 10, which is going to be equal to 2. Modulus of 13 minus 10, it is going to be equal to 3. The modulus of 17 minus 10, it is going to be equal to 7. You have got all the values. Now you have to substitute all these values now and take the mean of that, as simple as that. So you have to substitute that in this particular equation. In order to do that, let me write down the equation here again. So it is going to be from I till 8, because 8 numbers are there. Xi, what is going to be this, right? Now I need to add up all these numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 7 whole divided by, there are 8 numbers, so you can write it as 8 divided by 8. Right? Here actually you will be having xi minus x bar 1 over. Okay. So here 6 plus 3 plus 2, 11, 11 plus 12, 12 plus 5, 7, 24. 24 divided by 8. So I can write the mean deviation is going to be equal to, this is how you will be solving your problem. We'll be going to the next question. Find the mean deviation about the mean for the data in same the exercise 1 and 2. 38, 70, 48, 40, 42, 55, 63, 46, 54, and 44. So first we need to find out the mean, right? I'll be writing the formula for mean. Mean is given by x bar, which is going to be 1 over n. The summation of I is equal to 1 from xi till n. This basically means you have to add up all the values. 38 plus 70 plus 48 plus 40 plus 42 plus 55 plus 63 plus 46 plus 54 plus 44 whole divided by, how many numbers are there? You need to count, right? So 3, 3, 3, and 1, 10 numbers are there. 10 numbers are there. I need to find out x bar, which is going to be equal to 4, 4, 8, 8, 6, 6, 3, 9, 9, 5, 2, 2, 8, 8, and 8, 0, carry, and 1, 5, 5, 4, 9, 9, 4, 13, 13, 6, 19, 5, 4, 4, 4, 8, 8, 12, 12, and 12, 22, 22, again 22, 0, 1 carry, 2 and 3, 3, 3, 5, 500, right? 500 you will be getting, yes, okay, divided by 10. So x bar, I will be getting it as 50. X bar I'm getting as 50. Now I need to find out the value of, what I need to find out, I need to find the value of xi minus x bar under the modulus. Xi is going to be the first, second, third, fourth, all the numbers, right? So first I'll be taking 38. 38 minus 50, x bar is going to be 50. So this is going to be equal to minus 12. I can write it as 12 plus 12 because modulus is there. Next 70 minus 50, it is going to be 20. 48 minus 50, it is going to be minus 2 and 2. Here it is going to be 40 minus 50. It is going to be minus 10. You can write it as plus 10. Next you have 55. You have 55 modulus of 55 minus 50. You can write it as 5. Next, 1 2 3 4 5. 42 I have not taken. Okay, I can take it over here, not a problem. So 42 I have missed. 42 minus 50 is going to be minus 8. Minus 8 modulus is going to be plus 8. So six numbers are done. 63 minus 50, it is going to be 13. 46 minus 50, it is going to be equal to 4. Next we have 54 minus 50 is going to be equal to 4 again. 44 minus 50 is going to be minus 6. Modulus can be taken, it is going to be 6. Now you can write your mean deviation. Mean deviation is given by 1 over n summation of all the numbers starting from I is equal to 1 till n xi minus x. Take all these numbers, right? 12, 22, 10, 5, 6, 4, 4, 13, and 8. Upon writing that, I have 10 numbers. 12 plus 20 plus 2 plus 10 plus 5 plus 8 plus 13 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 10. Now I have 6 plus 4, 10, 10, 17, 17, 27, 27, and 8, 35, 35, 50, 50, 50, 70, 72, 10, 82, 82 plus 2, 84. 84 divided by 10. So you can write the mean deviation as 8.4. The mean deviation is going to be 8. Is it clear? We will be moving on to the next question. Third one. Find the mean deviation about the median for the data in exercise 3 and 4. In the previous question, we had found out the median about the mean. In this question, we have to find out the median, the mean deviation about the median. First, I will be finding out the median. In order to find out the median, I need to arrange them in ascending order, right? Ascending order. In ascending order, when I place them, I will be getting the smallest value is 10, right? So I have 10. Next 11 and 11, 11 and 11, two 11s are taken. Next I can take 12. Next it is going to be 13, two 13s. Next 14 is there. Two 16 and two 17s are there. And anything I left? Yes, 18 is also there. We have 18. So I have put the data in ascending order. Now I need to count how many numbers are there. So 1 3 3 3, so 12 are there. So I can take n is equal to 12. N is an even number, right? For an even number, what is going to be the formula? Let me just go there. What is going to be the formula for, yes, so even number, it is going to be the average of the two terms, right? So here I can write 1 2 3 4 5, or let me take it like this. It is n divided by 2 plus n divided by 2 plus 1 whole divided by, right? So n is going to be 12. So I will be getting over 6 plus 6 plus 1 divided by, is this what I'll be getting? Yes. Okay, so what is going to be the answer? 6 plus 6, 12. and 13, right? So you will be getting 13 plus 14, these two you have to take, right? 13 plus 14 divided by 2. By here you will be getting what? You will be getting as 13. Here the answer will be 13, which is going to be the term 13 plus 1, meaning the 14 is going to be your answer. So the median you can take as the mean of these two numbers. Mean of these two numbers, it is going to be 27 divided by 2, it is going to be 13.5. So I can write over here the median I have got as 13.5. The median is 13.5. Is it clear? Now I have to take the mean deviation now. Mean deviation is the mean of the value of xi minus, in this case it is m, not x bar, because we are finding it about the median. In the previous question it was about the mean, right? Here it is about the median, so the formula is going to change. Now similar to the last problem, I have to consider all these numbers and I have to subtract that, right? So I'll be taking here first as 13. 13 minus, it is going to be what is the first number? It is going to be 13 minus 13.5. Is this going to be the first number? Yes. 10, 10, 30. Why 10? Okay, you are okay. Okay, fine, fine. You are taking it like this from first you are starting, right? Okay, you can do it that way also. You can do it other way also. Answer is not going to change. Okay, I was taking in this order. Not a problem. You can take in any order. So similarly, you have to take all the numbers and subtract it with 13.5, because 13.5 is the median. So I will be taking all the numbers. The order does not matter over here. Okay, the order will not matter. 11 minus 13.5. Similarly, you should be taking all the numbers. This is done. Next it is going to be 10 minus 13.5. Here it is going to be 16 minus 13.5. Here it is going to be 11 minus 13.5. Here it is going to be 18 minus 13.5. Here it is going to be 12 minus 13.5. Anything I have missed? How many numbers are there? 12 numbers are there, right? 12, 18, 17 I have missed. And one more 18 is there? No. 16, two 16s are there, right? Yes. 17 minus 13.5. Yes. Now I should be adding all these numbers to get my mean deviation. So mean deviation is given by 1 over n summation of I from 1 till n xi minus m. Basically I have to add all these values. Whatever I get, all the values I should be adding up, right? Now if I take from here 13.5 minus 10, it will be 3.5. Plus next if I take for 11, it is going to be 2.5. I can write it 2 times 2.5 plus 2.5. Next it is going to be 12. 12 and 13.5, it is 1.5. Plus here 13 and zero point 0.5, it is going to be 0.5 plus zero point 0.5 plus 16, it is going to be 2.5. 2.5 plus 2.5 plus 17 minus 13.5, we are going to get 3.5 plus 3.5, because we have two 17s. 18 minus 3.5, it is going to be 4.5. Now I need to add all of this and divide it with 12. Right, now I will be adding all the whole numbers: 4 3 3 2 6. Here I can take this as 1 1 1.5 4 4 4 2.5, 20 25 24.5. 24.5 is 25 3 28. 28 divided by 12, this is going to be your mean deviation. If I simplify, I'll be getting this as 14 divided by 6, which can be written as 2.33. We'll go to the next question, question number 4. Again, the question remains the same: mean deviation about the median for this data. First, let me write down in ascending order in order to find the median. In ascending order, when I write these values, I will be getting, first it will be 36, comma, next 42, then 45, then I have 46 two times, then 49, 51, 53, 60, and 72. This is what I have. Right, now how many numbers are there? N is equal to 10. N is equal to 10, so I have to take n divided by 2 and n divided by 2 plus 1. Right, so fifth term and sixth term I have to add and divide it with 2 in order to get the median. So I can write over here, median is going to be equal to the middle term. Which is going to be the middle term? The fifth and the sixth, the average of these. The average of these, in order, yes, 46 plus 49 divided by 2. This is going to be your median. The answer is going to be 95 over here. 95 divided by 2, you will be getting as 47.5. 47.5 you have got as your median. Now you have to subtract that median from all the numbers. You can write xi minus m, you have to consider for all the numbers. This is what I need to do. Now taking the first 36 itself, so 36 minus, I have got here 47.5, the modulus of that, I will be getting this as 11.5. Right, next I'm having, uh what is the value next I have? It is going to be 42. 42 minus 47.5, it is going to be 5.5. Next I will be taking 45 minus 47.5, it is going to be how much? 2 point. Next I have 46 two times, so I can write 46 minus 4.7 as 1.5, and one more time I can take it. Right, so I can write again, which is 46 minus 47.5, it is going to be 1.5, because two numbers are there again. 49 minus 47.5, what is going to be the answer? The answer is going to be 3, no, not, sorry, not 3.5, it is going to be 1.5 again. 1.5. Next I have 51 minus 47.5, it is going to be equal to 3.5. Next I have 53 minus 47.5, I will be getting 5.5. Next I have two more, which is 60 and 70. So 60 minus 47.3, it is going to be 12.5. Right, lastly I have 72 as well, so I will be writing at the top, 72 minus 47.5 is going to be equal to 20 and 4 24.5. Now you need to consider all these values, add all these values, take the mean of this value, you will be getting the answer for mean deviation. So let me write mean deviation is going to be summation of 1 over n, the summation of starting from I is equal to 1 till n of xi. Adding all these numbers, so I will be adding all these numbers. 11.5 plus 5.5 plus 2.5 plus 1.5 plus 24.5 plus 1.5 plus 1.5, directly I'll be taking as 3 point plus 3.5 plus 5.5 plus 12.5 whole divided by, I have how many numbers? 10 numbers, right? So I will be taking it as 10. Now 11, 11 and 5, 16, 16 to 1, 16, 17, 17, 4, 24, 24, 3, 3, 3.5 is 8, 8, 9, 9 and 50, 57, 57 plus 12 is 69.5.5, 70, 69 and 70, yes, it is going to be 70 divided by 10. So you can write the mean deviation as mean deviation is going to